Ever felt like you're juggling a million tasks at once? Emails overflowing, deadlines looming, and to-do lists multiplying like rabbits? Yeah, we've all been there. That's where project management tools come in, promising to be the hero that swoops in, organizes the chaos, and brings peace to your overwhelmed mind. One name you might have stumbled upon in this quest for project management nirvana is ClickUp. It boasts a ton of features, from to-dos and lists to chats and docs, all under one roof. Sounds pretty darn close to that project management dream, right? But before you dive headfirst into ClickUp world, there's one crucial question. How much does this dream cost per person on your team? Well, buckle up, because ClickUp's pricing isn't exactly a straightforward answer. It's more like a choose-your-own-adventure with a few different paths, each with its own price tag. So, let's unpack ClickUp's pricing plans and see which one might be the perfect fit for you and your team without breaking the bank. First stop, the free forever plan. This is ClickUp's friendly hello to the project management world. It's perfect for small teams or solopreneurs who just need a basic to-do list and task management system. Unlimited users? Check. 100 megabytes storage per workspace? Check. Real-time chat? Nope, that's reserved for the paid plans. But hey, it's completely free, so you can't exactly complain. Now, if you're looking for a bit more muscle, ClickUp's got paid plans waiting with open arms. The aptly named Unlimited plan is the first on the list. This one throws in 2 gigabytes of storage per workspace, real-time chat, increased automation features, and some calendar views to keep you on top of deadlines. The cost? $5 per user per month, billed annually. Not too shabby, considering the jump in features. But what if you and your team are power users who crave even more functionality? ClickUp's got your back with the business plan. This plan bumps up the storage to 250 gigabytes per workspace, throws in advanced reporting features, guest users, and priority support. The price per user per month? $12, again billed annually. Now, for those enterprise-level teams with complex needs, ClickUp offers a custom-priced enterprise plan. This plan offers all the bells and whistles, including unlimited storage, increased security features, and dedicated onboarding and support. Since the price is custom-quoted, you'll need to contact ClickUp directly for a specific number. So there you have it. ClickUp's pricing spectrum, from the completely free option to the enterprise-level custom plan. Remember, the best plan for you depends on your team's size and needs. A small team with basic needs can rock the free forever plan, while a larger team with complex projects might benefit from the business plan. Here's a quick tip. Don't be afraid to take advantage of ClickUp's free trial. This lets you test drive all the features of the paid plans before committing. See what works for you, what doesn't, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy project managing.